Today, let's explore the latest Divi membership feature, Divi Cloud. Divi Cloud, available right now, is like a Dropbox but for your Divi websites. That means you'll be able to store, organize, and load Divi Builder elements on any Divi site you're working on that's logged into your account and authenticated with your API key. Now, instead of having to manually export and import your Divi library items, you're able to load them from the Divi Cloud with just a few clicks. Right now, all Divi users can store up to 50 items for free on their Divi Cloud. To save more items on your cloud and unlock unlimited storage, get a Divi Cloud membership today. Here is why you're going to love Divi Cloud. Divi Cloud is full of possibilities and can help streamline your design workflow. With Divi Cloud, you can quickly and easily import and load your custom-designed website wireframes to help give you a head start on your design process. This means you can design faster and more efficiently, saving you time and streamlining your web design process to make your life a little bit easier. In addition to saving page layouts and website wireframes, you're also able to save to the cloud your favorite Divi design builder elements, like sections, rows, and modules that you use again and again in website builds. Load them with a click of a button without having to export from a previous website and then import them to a new website. No more manually importing and exporting Divi layouts from website to website. With Divi Cloud, you can export hundreds of items from your Divi library and then upload those into the cloud using the portability icon in the Divi library pop-up. You can also add your favorite pre-made Divi layout packs from the marketplace to your Divi Cloud. Now that you have a picture of how Divi Cloud works, let's dive into it. First, let's distinguish between what it means to save an item locally versus on the cloud. Saving Divi Builder elements locally means that you're saving that element to the website you're working on. It lives only on that website and is only accessible via that website. Saving items to the cloud means you can access all of your saved design elements across any website you're working on that is signed into your Divi account and authenticated with your API key. When you load the Divi library, you'll be able to see both local and cloud items. It's easy to transfer items to the cloud at any time by clicking the cloud icon on the local item you want to transfer. Now, let's access the cloud. Divi Cloud is already accessible with the latest Divi theme update, so head over to your Divi site, make sure it's up to date, and then take a look. To access the Divi Cloud, navigate to any page and enable the Visual Builder. Once the Visual Builder is enabled, click the plus icon on the Divi toolbar at the bottom of the screen to load your Divi library. In the top right corner, you'll see a blue button that says Sign in to Divi Cloud. Once clicked, a pop-up window will appear where you can enter your credentials to log into your Elegant Thing members account. Once you are logged in, your session is saved for 30 days, so you can easily access your cloud without having to sign in again and again. Now, let's look at managing and organizing your Divi Cloud. Here on the sidebar is where you can search through Divi Builder elements, search your Divi Cloud, and manage categories and tags. Within Divi Cloud, you're able to edit, delete, rename, recategorize, preview, duplicate, and restore from trash Divi library items both locally and on the cloud. To do so, click the three ellipses next to the item that you want to edit and choose from the list of options the action you want to take. To search through the Divi Builder elements you have saved, type the name of the item you're looking for in the input field and then click Filter. Organizing Divi Cloud items is easy using categories and tags, just like you do locally. Adding categories and tags to the items you save helps to keep things organized and easily searchable. Now let's take a look at how you can organize Divi Cloud. First, bring up the Divi library by clicking the plus icon on the Divi toolbar at the bottom of the page. Once clicked, this brings up your Divi library where you can search through pre-made layouts, your saved layouts, and your existing pages. The first tab, Pre-made Layouts, is where the Divi pre-made layout packs live. Search through the layouts by typing the name of what you're looking for in the input field and clicking Filter. You can also browse pre-made layout packs by category. Click the corresponding check marks next to the categories you want to search within. To save a pre-made layout pack to your cloud, hover over the layout and click the heart icon. Now the layout pack is saved to your favorites, and you can sort packs via favorites, old to new, new to old, or by name by clicking the drop-down at the top left of the library. The second tab, Your Saved Layouts, is where saved page layouts live. To search through the page layouts you've saved, type the name of the item you're looking for in the input field and click Filter. You'll be able to tell which layouts are on the cloud by the blue icon on them. You also have the option to search page layouts by location, either locally or on the cloud. If you want to only search items saved locally to the website, check This Website. If you want to only search your Divi Cloud, check My Divi Cloud. Below that, you can search through saved page layouts by category. Click Manage Categories to view both local categories and Divi Cloud categories. This is also where you can add, edit, and delete cloud categories. To add a new category, click the Add a New Category button, type the name of the new category in the input field, and then make sure to click Save Changes to save your work. Underneath categories is where you'll find tags. Cloud categories and tags work well together. For example, you could be searching for a category of page layout with a tag of dark mode. That means that you are only searching for page layouts that are designed in dark mode. To view both local tags and Divi Cloud tags, click Manage Tags. This is also where you can add, edit, and delete cloud tags. To add a new cloud tag, click the Add a New Cloud Tag button to add a new editable field to the list. Make sure to click Save Changes to save your work. Next, let's learn how to save and load Divi design elements to the cloud. First, let's export and import your current Divi library layouts, sections, rows, and modules to your cloud. Doing so will allow you to access these items on any Divi website you're working on and logged into. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Divi and then Divi Library. Select all of the items you want to add to the cloud and then click the Import and Export button at the top of the page. This will bring up the portability module. Click Export. Your Divi library is now a JSON file. Navigate to any page and enable the Visual Builder. Import your library into the cloud by dragging and dropping the JSON file onto the Divi library. Click Import to Cloud and then Import Layout. It is worth noting that depending on which library you have open, the page layouts, the section, the rows, or the module library, you'll only be able to see the imported items specific to that library. However, rest assured, all of the items are being imported in the background at the same time. Now let's look at how to save page layouts to the cloud. To save a page layout to the cloud, click the Add to Library icon, the arrow pointing downwards on the Divi toolbar. Then type the name of the page layout in the Layout Name field. Toggle the option to save to Divi Cloud to Yes. This will display existing cloud categories and give you the ability to create new ones. Click the checkbox next to the category you want to be assigned to this layout. To create a new cloud category, type in the New Category Name field. You can also apply tags. Here you can assign existing tags or create a new tag. Then click Save to Divi Cloud. To load a save page layout on the cloud, enable the Visual Builder and bring up your Divi library. Toggle over to Your Saved Layouts and click My Divi Cloud underneath the locations. This will display only the page layouts you have saved to your cloud. To load a saved page layout, click on the layout that you want to use and then click Use this layout. Saving sections, rows, and modules to the cloud is easy as well. To save a section, row, or module to the cloud, hover over the item until the Setting toolbars appears and then click the Save to Library icon, the arrow pointing downwards. Type the name of the item in the Layout Name field and then toggle the Save to Divi Cloud option to Yes. This will display existing cloud categories and give you the ability to create new ones. You can also assign tags. You can assign existing tags or create new ones. Then click Save to Divi Cloud. To load a saved item, click the plus icon on a section, row, or module and click the Add from Library tab. This will load your Divi library where you can see all of your Divi library items saved both locally and on the cloud. Navigate to the item you want and click to load. Then click Use this section. You can also copy your favorite pre-made layout packs to your Divi Cloud. First, enable the Visual Builder and then bring up your Divi library. Find the pre-made layout pack you want to copy to your cloud and click on it. On the next page, you'll see the layout pack details, including all of the pages included in the layout pack. Right-click on the pages you want to save and click Copy to Divi Cloud. It's as simple as that. And that's it for our Divi Cloud walkthrough. To learn more about Divi Cloud, including frequently asked questions, please visit the link in the video description.